Alright, so it's been requested that I show someone how to remove snap-on wheel. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for this little spot right here. You can see that little hole or whatever right there. Well, there's a pin inside here that snaps onto the axle, so I'm going to show you how to take this off. I think this might be just a little bit too big, but you need like a flathead screwdriver, preferably. And what you're going to do is you're going to put it inside that little hole. You know, might need to twist it or whatever. You have to set the phone down for just a quick second here while I do this. Alright, sorry about that. I don't know how well you can see that in there. I don't know if you can see it at all. If my camera would focus, which it won't. Inside there is a metal pin. What you're going to want to do is take the screwdriver angled this way. Put it inside the hole there. Kind of wheel it around a little bit so you can get a good angle on it. Sometimes you gotta take this plastic out a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to set the phone down again. Sorry about that. Like I said, the screwdriver is just a tad bit too big. Ah, man, that hurts. Okay. So, once you have the screwdriver in there angled, this probably isn't in far enough. What you're going to do is you're going to push down really hard and upright it. Right? And then you'll pull it back like that. And that should deactivate the pin. And you can just pull the wheel off. So I'm going to have to try and pull the wheel off now. Set the phone down again. Alright, there you have it. So yeah, this was a bit of a pain, but you can see the pin there. Yeah, you can see it right there. It'll focus. My phone's not focusing. Camera, rather. Yeah, you can get the idea there. And that pin, what that does is that slides into the groove of the axle there. So just show you now that I've got it all open and everything here. You just take the screwdriver in at an angle like that. You kind of hammer it in there. And you just take it, push down really hard, pull back. And you can kind of use a shaft of the screwdriver to push against where the axle is. And you just push the other way and that pulls it'll actually pull the pin back and out of the slot. Alright, so that's how you take the wheel off of the axle.